Grumbo's stealing Pebbi!
Can Sharko Zoomo save Pebbi? Let's see. Pebbi Kids Stories.
Welcome back!
Harshith, Mahitha, Manvitha, Berryra and Pebbi having a fun day at beach. They are having a sand bath.
The beach is awesome!
I'm a sand potato.
But someone was hiding behind the palm tree.
Time for sneezing chaos!
Grumbo pulled out a giant feather. Grumbo quietly sneaked behind Harshith.
Achoo!
Achoo!
Achoo! Oh no, nobody could even open their eyes. While everyone was sneezing, Grumbo grabbed Pebbi and ran away.
Help! Help! Save me! Sharko Zoomo!
Suddenly, big waves crashed. A super-fast bike zoomed out of the ocean.
But he steals Pebbi on my beach!
Sharko Zoomo created a huge splash wave.
Too much water!
Sharko Zoomo opened a treasure box full of super water guns.
Beach team rescue attack!
Water blast!
Got you, Grumbo!
Grumbo was trapped from every direction.
I hate beach water!
Save me!
Everyone hugged Pebbi happily. Everyone relaxed at the beach again. This time, Sharko Zoomo joined the sand bath too.
You look so funny.
Take my sunglasses!
Everyone burst into laughter. That day on, Grumbo never brought feathers to the beach again. For more fun adventures, please follow.
If you like this video, please subscribe.